She say she don't cash her. See, I can't buy one bag or no. Check for my Let me see my sister's phone.
Alright, you're welcome to Talk as it be, as TB Ozo Baba. This one tough. Person we go church, we go the still phone. The thing on the day rampant, on the day common everywhere. Well, meanwhile, and don't touch this woman. As she find rich, they expose her. Yes, you need to listen. Make we hear wetin happen. Then we can't talk about people where they go church, go they still phone. Now don't say as they hear the woman. How you go church, go they pick phones. Not be one, not be two, now 3 phones. Then the 3 people go begin cry. At the end, they go they look themselves for eyes, say who thief phone for church. They go begin blame, say God no they protect. Say now God go come down, come they protect phone. I beg, if you go church, go the church, you need to shine your eye. You don't know say maybe come the charge phone for church, you self no. If you go charge with sense. But this woman you don't enter begin. Now person mama oh. Yes, now person mama go carry people phone. 3 phones, not be single one or 3. When you count am, you go know say na money she don't make so. And he put 3 people for condition where they go they cry. And don't forget say we won't get video where we post for our sister channel where they talk about how to protect your SIM. Yes, I go put the link for description so you go check out how to protect your SIM card so that if they thief your phone, they no go fit access your bank account. Yes, because now waiting that they do with that. Once they thief your phone, you then go throw away the SIM. Scammers, you know scammers, Yahoo boys, they go pick your SIM. They can see what they go do before you know. They remove your money from your bank, and if you no take time, they fit take and borrow money, and when they borrow money, police get go come look for you because they fit take and do bad things where you no even expect, even begin demand for ransom. And if they take your SIM demand for ransom, you know wetin that on me for Nigeria, they go say you know about wetin happen because you go just hear say they come knock your door. Well, you don't hear am so. If you dey charge for church, make you watch out very well because there plenty for church oh, there plenty for outside. And wetin they go thief, all of them they look for. As TB Ozo Baba, but make you no forget to like, share, subscribe for Talk as it be channel. We go see you now because we still dey repackage. We go give you now full dose.